is a review on the TechLife portable washing machine and dryer. This is where you put your hose to put water into the washing machine and dryer. This washing machine has a soak time and a washing time. A lot of washing machines don't have that soak time. So your item will soak from 35 minutes down to 15 minutes, and then it'll wash from 15 minutes to 0. This machine also allows you to wash your cycle in a soft or normal speed, and also after you wash your clothing, you can drain the water out. This is the spin time for your dryer. How I let my water run into the washing machine is using the shower head. That's easier for me than using the hose that came with the washing machine. This right here catches the lint when you're washing your clothes. So I let my water run up until this point, and I've already put in the detergent. If you know that your clothes are not spinning, it's because you have too much clothes in the washing machine. It washes very well. You can see the dirt in the water. And I only have it at 5 minutes. So I have rinsed these clothes twice. The first time with just water, and the second time with water plus my fabric softener. So now it's time for me to dry it. So this item here, I push this over the clothing, I push it down, close this up, and I start my spin. I can still wash if I wanted to over here. So I'm now washing and drying or spinning at the same time. Okay, I am done washing my clothes. As you can see from right here, this lint catcher caught the lint. So I'm gonna have to clean this out before washing again. If I didn't say it before, this will hold 11 pounds. This holds 6 pounds for a combination of 17 pounds. I can wash and spin or dry at the same time. That's my review on the TechLife washing machine and dryer.